Your data, users, and applications are in the cloud, accessing data from any location or device. Cyber threats have evolved to target users outside your office perimeter. Digital transformation has made the manufacturing industry particularly vulnerable. Application and phishing threats are increasing exponentially. In order to be competitive, manufacturers need to secure productivity. Lookout enables employees to work anywhere with endpoint-to-cloud security, protecting 200 million devices and 140 million apps globally. Book a meeting with us today and learn more at lookout.com.